this is the 4th time that I'm going to be recording this video to try and get one where it's actually not have kids in the background going crazy, or in my lap going crazy. So, with that being said, I wanted to bring you a channel update. I haven't been on in a week, and that's because we're remodeling my kitchen. We've ripped up the floors, and I'm painting cabinets, staining floors, painting furniture. I'm doing all the things right now, and my kitchen's a wreck. So I don't want to show you guys my wrecked looking kitchen. So that's why you haven't seen any videos from me. But since we are getting into a different season, it is going to change up slightly. So you've been seeing a lot of canning videos, and that is not going to stop, but it's also not going to be as frequent. And that's just because my whole plan from the very beginning of the year was to can and preserve and freeze and do all the things so that I could relax and enjoy my family and my husband and the weather and just the seasons in general for fall and winter, and not have to worry about stocking my pantry. And I succeeded in that. Granted, there are still a few things that I would have liked to have in my pantry, and if sales come, then they come and I will preserve. But if they don't, then my family will just not have those things. And that's just the way that okay, I don't know where I was. Anyway, we'll just go without if I'm not able to find a good deal, since we didn't grow it ourselves. And that's just the way that I like to do things, because that's just the way I like to can. So, I'm bringing back Meal Planning Mondays so that you guys can see what I'm cooking for the whole week. And if you like any of those recipes, whether they be pantry meals, leftover makeovers, new recipes, old recipes, if you want to see them, let me know in the comments of that video, and then I will record them for you. And then you'll get to see them. And holidays are coming up, and I host Thanksgiving and Christmas at my house. So, and I'm crazy. I like to do it all. Like, I have a sister-in-law and a mother-in-law that are going to be cooking some things, but in my head, and let me know if you're one of these people, in my head, I'm like, just let me do it all. Like, I just want to be crazy, and I want to do it all. I don't know why, but I do. I like to control it. That's what I like to do. And I know that if I'm making it, it's going to be great. Well, no, that's not right, because they're great cooks too. I don't know. I like doing it all. But anyway, I'll have tons of recipes to show you. Let's see. I also am going to start, I'm also going to start, since it's getting cooler and my house is in 150 degrees, I'm going to start doing more baking, like sweets. And so you'll see a lot more of that, and I'll probably even start doing a designated day just for baking, and then another day just for breads, because I love making my own breads, all kinds. I know in my last video a week ago, I told you that I made my own brioche hamburger buns. That's just the beginning. I just love it all. Almost as much as I love canning. But anyway, so I'm probably going to do a designated day during the week for baking and breads and such. And then I also am going to start bringing back sewing and crocheting, because with me not needing to can as much and preserve as much, I'll have more time for the other things that I enjoy doing, which is sewing and crocheting. So I will be, if you guys are interested, I was planning on making a day during the week designated for one of those types of videos, because I'm getting ready to make my own chair cushions for the kitchen, and reusable paper towels, scrubbies for the kitchen and for the bathroom, and washcloths for the kitchen and bathroom, and just different things like that. I'm getting ready to make another king size quilt for my bed. So if you want to see that, that could be like a little series thing. If you wanted to do that, I did one 2 years ago for my husband for Christmas, and he told me a few weeks ago that he wants another one, and they're big flannel quilt. So if you want to see any of those, let me know, and I will do videos on them once a week, maybe twice a week, who knows. But I think that they definitely have to do with homesteading. And I also do other frugal things and things to save money, and I can always bring you along for those as well. Yeah. So that is kind of the ideas that I have right now, and that I'm going to start incorporating starting on Monday, because like I said, I am finishing up the kitchen, and I also have a bedroom getting remodeled this weekend. So I like to be involved in those things and not just twiddle my thumbs, especially since it's my dad doing that. I really enjoy helping, and he teaches me as he does stuff. So anytime that he is talking, I am listening. He is absolutely amazing. Like, I love him. But anyway, so I'll start on Monday, and you'll get to start seeing all the new things that I'm going to be incorporating. And I hope that this excites you as much as it does me. I love the changing of the seasons and all the new things that are going to be coming your way. And I hope to see you guys next time. And yeah, thanks for watching.